Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. That you are seeing here now, it is Kashmir. Kashmir, my homeland before 1990 and after 1990. 1990 is the Holocaust, the genocide day. I would say that when more than around 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits shifted from Kashmir. And the exhibition that you are seeing here of these paintings, beautiful paintings, but these paintings, I would say there are tears behind and then weepings behind these these paintings. And incidentally with me is Mirza Sahab. He has put his heart and blood, that behind these paintings and his thoughts. I would say, just see that, dig deeper and see, just understand what exactly Mirza Sahab, my big brother, what he wants to say about these paintings. Let's listen him and let us just get deeper in these paintings, because otherwise most of the time these paintings you don't understand until somebody tells you and what a beauty that the manufacturer, the artist, the painter is with us only. We are very fortunate to have the creator of these paintings is with us, whose thoughts are there on these paintings. So let's listen and try to understand what was Kashmiri prior to 1990, and you'll yourself understand it.
So now if we take this painting,
yes sir,
this shows the show before Holocaust. There is a coexistence between their Muslim mosques and Pandits' temples. They coexisted on the banks of rivers and everywhere, and people were living in good coexistence. This is our Hari Parvat.
You say you Mirza Sahab chumana Jackson Mirza Sahab chumanan you chumana ye Masjid Sharif yednasan to you Masjid Sharif chednasan yedna chu tadinas chu apare shu mandar chu adnas chu birds chu adar chu Hari Parvat chu. You just see that across the river, in that on the bank of one bank is mosque and another bank is that temple, and then this is Mata Sharika, the deity, the highest deity in Hari Parvat in Kashmir. You just see that during happy times, this is what is Kashmir prior to 1990. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Kashmiriyat, means the coexistence of Muslim brothers and Hindu brothers, Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir prior to 1990. But just see that what's happening afterwards.
So this is our paradise on fire this time, because the Holocaust appeared, and this Hangul is represented by the people of Kashmir. Its Hangul is in tears. You can see the tears coming out of
my good God. Yeah, of course.
And allegorically, if we say these birds are moving out, birds are Kashmiri Pandits who are in this fire. They are moving out of Kashmir. This is an exodus. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, there is an influence, outside influence. This eagle shows the influence from outside.
Pakistan.
Outside. These are militants and all that.
Afghanistan militants, Taliban and all that.
These are all eagles coming from there, and they are disturbing our paradise.
Peace. So what exactly Mirza Sahab chunkesan bad asul chumana Mirza Sahab unkesh aswanan ki yus aise Kashir merge Kashir that log pur tam satan pur nar log tam satan wuchi am satan the Masjid Sharif pata is mandaran log nar masjid wusto kuta sari tarfun gaut tas nas beus hangul ose suchu vadan yedansan. Yus eagle हमेशा डिपिक्ट करना कि खतरनाक चीज wrong चीज बस such external influence. You just see that from a distance, that if you just dig deeper, you'll just see that on this picture the Kashmir is on fire. Kashmir is on fire in 1990, and these birds are the representation of Kashmiri Pandits. Kashmiri Pandits, around 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits are moving away from Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen. And then this eagle is depicting Pakistan influence, and then Kashmir is in doldrums. Kashmir is on fire in 1990.
It's also showing Jhelum.
And you just see that in Jhelum. That is what exactly Mirza Sahab is showing.
Jhelum River.
Jhelum River is also, just see, it is just it is just it is red color. It is red color and it is also on fire. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead and try to ask Mirza Sahib what exactly he wants to tell after that. That before Holocaust and after Holocaust,
This is after Holocaust. The Kashmiri Pandits are moving away. And they are crossing the Pir Panjal range.
So Pir Panjal range used to Pir Panjal range serene pahad cha ati chu yivane kashir bati him kashir.
The Kashmiri Pandits are moving away. And they are crossing the Pir Panjal range.
So Pir Panjal range used to Pir Panjal range serene pahad cha ati chu yivane kashir bati him kashir manzan im ch at Pir Panjal cross karant im ch salan atik merge kashiri patan you just see that merge mother Kashmir is in red blood and red tears. The fire that is there in Kashmir, it is just driving the Kashmiri Pandits out, and everything is in desperation, and the Kashmiri Pandits in the form of these birds are moving out and crossing the Pir Panjal range of mountains. That's what. Thanks. God bless you, Mirza Sahib. So great, sir.
Reaching Jammu. In the camps.
So we are in the camps. The Kashmiri Pandits finally are landed in the camps in 1990.
And there's hot sun.
And you just see that there is very hot sun. One is Zabardast Mirza Sahib.
Snakes.
Just see snakes, scorpions are there. They are killing these. They are killing these Kashmiri Pandits who are in tents. You know that this crow, this parrot is also just in penance, and just sparrow is just looking around and just seeing what's happening around and just in tears. You just see that these are the birds, Kashmiri Pandits, who are coming down and settling down in Jammu in tents. And this is the typical Kashmiri woman, and she is in the Kashmiri Pandit typical dress, and these snakes, scorpions, and it is hot. You know that there are a lot of Kashmiri Pandits in 1990, June, July, who died of the heat because snake bites also, because Kashmir, you know, Kashmir is basically a cold climatic, cool place. And when you cool place, nice place, you just see that here in the beginning before the Holocaust, and then when
and now you come to.
And you just see that Jhelum was also there, and then it was red, and then moving out, and you just see that, ladies and gentlemen, in Jammu they could not face the heat of the sun in June and July, and lot of Kashmiri Pandits died.
And some of them now came to Delhi.
So there are Kashmiri Pandits coming to Delhi,
Jamuna,
and
so this is a journey from Jhelum to Jamuna.